Hello friends. Today I will tell you about natural treatments and home remedies for gram-negative. The gram-negative bacteria are a specific type of bacteria that has unique characteristics. This type of bacteria can cause infections throughout the body. Bacteria live in our bodies, but when they are kept at normal levels, then they do not cause any problems. But when there is an imbalance, then the infection can happen. The most common infections caused by the gram-negative bacteria are infections on the nervous system, the soft tissues, the bloodstream, the urinary tract, and the lungs. Also, there are many cases when the surgical wounds can become infected with gram-negative bacteria. The most common risk factor for getting a gram-negative bacterial infection is hospitalization. This means the longer you stay in the hospital, the higher risk of gram-negative bacterial infection you have. Also, the contact with someone who has been exposed to gram-negative bacteria can increase your risk of gram-negative infection. The usage of medical devices that pass into the body, such as urinary catheters or is increasing the risk for gram-negative infection. If you have recent surgery, then this is increasing your chances of gram-negative infection. People with weakened immune systems have increased chances of getting gram-negative infections. The symptoms of gram-negative infection will depend on the location, but the most common symptom is the fever. You should treat the gram-negative infection according to your doctor's recommendations, because if it is left untreated, then it can lead to serious health complications and death. If you suffer from gram-negative infection, then you need to talk with your doctor before you start using some of the below-mentioned home remedies, so in this way you can avoid side effects. Here are some home remedies for gram-negative. Number 1. Manuka Honey, good for gram-negative infection. One of the most useful natural antibiotics which you can get is honey. It has been used as a home remedy for fighting against infections since ancient times. This natural cure has been used as a home remedy for bed sores, skin infections, and burns, and also it can be used as a home remedy for gram-negative infection. 2. The Manuka Honey works as an antibacterial agent because it has high sugar content and low pH, which can inhibit the growth of bacteria. You should know that not all types of honey have the same properties. Manuka Honey is one of the best types of honey with unique properties. You can add this natural cure to your tea. Also, you can eat it in raw form. Number 2. Colloidal Silver. This natural cure is used a lot in natural medicine to help people to stay away from bacterial infections. In history, the colloidal silver has been used as a broad-spectrum antibiotic. Some doctors recognize it as antibiotic while others not, so there should be done a lot more studies in the future to approve or disapprove this saying. Also, the colloidal silver has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antiviral properties. 3. It can be used in the fight against gram-negative infection. You can take the colloidal silver in a liquid form using a dropper bottle, and you can apply it topically or orally. Before you start using it as a home remedy for the gram-negative infection, you need to talk with your doctor about the best way to use it. Number 3. Berberine. This is a natural antibiotic that is recommended to many people who suffer from bacterial infections, parasite overgrowth, or candida. This natural cure can help a lot due to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. This home remedy is not recommended for pregnant mothers or lactating mothers because it can be harmful to their babies. You should talk with your doctor about the best way for using berberine as your home remedy for the gram-negative infection. Number 4. Garlic. You can add garlic in your diet because we know that this natural cure has antibacterial properties that can help in the natural treatment of gram-negative infection. It has a lysine which is formed by crushing raw garlic or adding water to dried garlic. There are many studies in which are said that garlic is giving the best result when it is eaten in large amounts and in raw form. If you do not like to eat garlic in raw form, then you can try in tablet form, but talk with your doctor which will be the recommended dosage for you. Number 5. Oregano oil. This is one of the best natural antibiotics which can help to deal with bacterial, parasitic, and fungal overgrowth in the gut, especially the Candida overgrowth. There are some studies in which are said that this natural cure targets both gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria, which makes it a well-rounded broad-spectrum antibiotic which can be a good start for many different varieties of infections. It can be used as a home remedy for people who suffer from gram-negative infection. The oregano oil can have a really pungent flavor, so this is a reason why doctors are often recommending capsules over tincture or drops of this oil. Number 6. Cabbage. This natural cure is rich in antioxidant properties that can help you in the fight against gram-negative infection. We know that cabbage is a common type of vegetable which is found all around the world. It is a leafy green, red, or white biennial plant which is grown as an annual vegetable crop for its dense leaved heads. You can talk with your doctor about the best way for using this natural cure in your diet. It is usually recommended to be used in raw form. Number 7. Grapefruit seed extract. There are many studies which are shown that the grapefruit seed extract is a very effective natural antibiotic that can help in the fight against many different infections. One study was tested drops of concentrated grapefruit seed extract for many different gram-positive and gram-negative organisms. This natural cure has antibacterial properties. In this study was said that the grapefruit seed has a greater inhibitory effect on the gram-positive organisms compared to the gram-negative organisms, but it was concluded that this natural cure is effective in the treatment of gram-negative infection. You should talk with your doctor about the best way for adding grapefruit seed extract in your fight against gram-negative infection, as well as your dosage. Number 8. Cayenne pepper. This natural cure has a component called capsaicin which has been used as a home remedy for thousands of years due to its healing and antibiotic properties. But this natural cure is not just used in traditional medicine, but also many studies have approved its antibiotic properties. You can use it in your natural treatment of gram-negative infection. Please note, these remedies may not be suitable for everyone, so you should select one that suits you, and if required, kindly consult your doctor. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.